Hi, this is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. As the DEP continues their efforts to install new water meters, property owners are receiving notifications from DEP stating that the existing water main must be replaced. Now, this notice is catching many homeowners by surprise, and in some cases, it's not exactly clear why they're receiving these notifications. It all starts when the DEP contractor is scheduled to install a new water meter on the existing water line. At this time, they will first become aware of the existing material, which will then result in the 45-day notice. So why is the notice issued, and why is the property owner required to replace their water line? The most important fact to consider is that any form of a repair on a lead or galvanized pipe is illegal in New York City. So if you have a lead line, there's nothing that can be done. You must upgrade it to copper. Now, the size of the pipe will determine which type of material is allowable. So anything 2-inch and smaller must be copper. Anything 3 inches and greater must be ductile iron. Now, the second most important factor to consider is that attempting a repair on a brittle or a fragile water main can be dangerous and potentially lead to a hazardous condition. Now, believe it or not, there are non-licensed plumbers out there who will entertain these types of repairs. But however, a repair like this will not be approved, and it could lead to additional costs in the future. If you hire a non-licensed plumber to do an illegal repair on a lead main and DEP becomes aware that they will not approve it, thus your 45-day notice would still be intact. It wouldn't be cleared up and they wouldn't be able to install the new water meter. We always suggest obtaining a water main replacement estimate to better understand the processing costs associated with replacing the water main before the new meter is installed. Once the water line is replaced, you should contact the DEP. Notify them that the lead water main has been replaced and that you are now ready to have the new water meter installed. Now, if you have received the violation notice from DEP, it's very, very important to have the corrective work completed within the 45-day period. A failure to complete the work may result in the assessment or denial of access fees and related charges in accordance with New York City law. So again, please, they give you a notice, don't take it lightly, get on it, and please get it fixed. And the final note, again, I said this earlier, it's really, really important to note. Anything to do with a DEP notice or any work that needs to be done on your water main, it's so critical to have it done by a licensed master plumber. Please, always, you need a licensed master plumber to evaluate and come and actually perform the work. Again, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching the video.